a problem from polar equation of two-dimensional geometry, and the problem is so that the polar equation of ellipse, which is given by x square by 9 plus y square by 4, this is equal to 1, if the pole be at its center and positive direction of x-axis be the direction of polar axis, right? We have to prove that the polar equation is this. So if we draw a rough sketch of the ellipse, we know that the ellipse is like this. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and we know that x-axis is the major axis and y-axis is the minor axis. And this is the center, this is 0, 0, and let it be pole, because pole be at center, okay? And positive direction of x-axis be at initial line or polar axis. It is given that it is polar axis. So if we take any point P on the ellipse, then we can take this point with coordinate r theta, where theta is given by this. This is the anti-clockwise rotation, and OP, this is r, okay? And clearly, if we take this point in Cartesian coordinate, take xy, then we know that this is given by x and this is given by y. And since this is a right angle triangle, we get the relation between x r theta and y r theta is given by x equal to r cos theta and y this is equal to r sin theta, because this is hypotenuse, this is base, this is height, and this is the angle, okay? Now put x and y in the given equation. So we get x square by 9 plus y square by 4, this is equal to 1. This becomes r square cos square theta by 9 plus r square sin square theta by 4, this is equal to 1. And now taking common r square, we get by taking LCM, this is 36, and we get 4 cos square theta minus 9, this is plus, this is equal to 1, okay? So we get r square, this is equal to 36 by 4 cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta, and we get this is 36, this is 36 by, since in our proof there will be only cos theta, so we change sin theta to cos theta, we get 4 cos square theta plus 9 into 1 minus cos square theta, that is 36 by 9 minus, this is 9 cos theta minus plus 4 cos square theta plus, so this is 5 cos square theta, okay? And it is clear that this is our required proof. So we solve the given problem very easily. This is very easy problem of polar equation, okay? Thank you for watching.